opportunity to speak on here. So now actually this is Aman and I am from Gonda. So now we are supporting the watching the movie because actually there are many there are many types of video that they type of video like actually if you are learning English, then actually you can go to the YouTube, and there are many type of social media, so you can learn by the watching the movies and watching the lecture. There are many teachers on available on the YouTube. So according to me, watching the video is greater than reading the books. That's all.
Hello everybody, so my name is Mohammed Siddiq. So today I am here to tell you something about me, and after that I'll tell you what is the advantage of watching movie. So my name is Mohammed Siddiq. I am from Gonda, but I live in Faizabad. So today I'm gonna tell you something about watching movie. So if you wanna increase your knowledge, I'm talking about English and etc. many type of subject available. Then you should watch movie. You can many type of knowledge about many type of knowledge from the movies.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Alisha Fatma. Today's my topic is in watching movie. So watching movie.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Verma. Today I am going to speak about reading books, importance of reading books.
Whatever you know.
Verma. And today I am telling about the importance of book. You are saying that if you want to learn English, you should watch movies. But movies not watching movie you cannot learn English. Book is very important. Book is not only for a bunch of pages. These are knowledge and wisdom. If you want to progress in your life, in book is very important. In a movie is only 3 hour 4 hour, but book is 360 340 pages. If a movie like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam biopic, but if you learn in a book in his biopic, you can learn many new things and whole knowledge of in APJ Abdul Kalam's life. But in a 2 hour movie cannot explain everything. The book is very important for everyone.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am Sunny Kumar Asolia. Today I am going to support reading books. By reading books we can change our mindset and we can learn more things whatever not available on YouTube videos or movies. Movies cannot give you a full detail about everything, but you can learn more things by studying by reading book. Thanks.
Actually, reading book is better than watching movie. Actually, I am not talking about only movie. Like there are many types of videos. Like if you want to take the lecture English, physics, chemistry. Actually, I passed. Actually, I take the exam in this year 12th standard, but actually I didn't join any offline institute. Actually, I took the BAS RWA. Have you heard this name? It's a very largest platform, Rozgar Betankit, and I didn't purchase any other course. And actually I have taken BAS and I have got confidence 85 and 90% I got. So it's an advantage of watching videos. There are many types of lecture, so you can learn anything by the help of your cell phone, like learning English, spoken English, and reading newspaper. There are many things. So how can you say you cannot learn by the cell phone and by the watching anything? How can you say? Reply me.
Watching movies are different type of you are telling about that videos and lectures. Movie and visual is different. When you goes to videos, you can live join any class. This is not a movies. Movies is very different area. Bollywood, Tollywood, this is a movie type, and South Indian movies. book and topic is book and importance of book and importance of movies. Videos very different type. You want to learn anything, many type of course available on YouTube, Google's and other source. You can learn. You don't. If I join in a first, I don't know anything about English. When I joined American, then I am confident to speak on here. But I can also join a live class, many English teacher. Then also I can learn. But book and course are different. Movies, watching movies and importance of book both are different. Telling about I am supporting importance of book. I am speaking about the importance of book. You are saying watching movies. You cannot learn about watching movies 2 or 3 types movies, motivational movies. You can push up something when you watch movie. After 1 or 2 hours, they will fuse. But the book is 2 or 300 pages. If you are learning, they build your habit of learning and presence of mind. They increase your knowledge. In a past 1-2 years, I don't know about a book and not anything. But now I am learning many books, 12th Fail and The Power of Money. And many books. When you learn, when you read a book, many new things you know before you not listen somewhere.
Sir, informed me that learning book is important and watching movie. So I'll suggest you always that if you wanna watch anything about learning English and etc. like this, and if you wanna watch a lecture, so how can that be possible? You can get a lecture in your book and you can watch. No, it's never.
Movie can increase our knowledge, because so many movie are knowledge, increase our knowledge. For example, South movie is a Maharishi movie. Is Mahesh Babu is become to a CEO. So how to become a CEO? And Vijay Thalapathy movie is Bigil. Bigil is message for a girl कि how to become a football. So, and second one is movie is Udaan, is a South movie. Udaan movie is described to how to make a flight. The one bird, see the one bird, how to fly bird. See, then he know to how to make a flight. So movie is physically motivate, but book is normally motivate. When you read a book, they motivate. But movie is a physically motivate you how to become anything.
Motivation is not everything. You are saying you watch Bigil, Udaan and Maharishi movie, you become CEO and make a flight. But if you read books, you can make your own flight and other business also. If Jeff Bezos watching movie, they cannot make a company. He reading book in a 17 year, about 70 in a year. Then he become a CEO of a company. You can watch a movie and motivate, then you cannot do anything. If you are learning books in a full process of how to make aeroplane and how to increase your business, if you learn a book The Power of Mind, you can understand this how many actual work in a society.
So actually, watching movie is better than reading books, because actually before some time she told the actually I have watched 12th Fail movie. Movie is increasing your motivation, increasing your doing the hard work. So let's suppose actually you don't have you are demotivated and you are not able to do anything. Let's suppose daytime you feel like watching any motivational movie, and after watching it, like actually have you watched the 12th Fail movie? The movie will show you how to do the hard work and how to achieve the goal. And if you are from a village student, and if you are from poor family, then how to achieve the goal? But you can't learn to buy the books. If you are from village and if you don't have money, then how to achieve the goal? Tell me.
You know about how money work in society, how increase your money. If you learn many books, you can know how to increase money. Why a rich person become rich and a poor person become a poorest day by day? You know, many reasons written in a book in a many year before. Now they are working. You told about 12 fail. When you read 12 fail book, you can connect himself with many characters. Movies are only 2 or 3 hours you can watch, but when you read 340 and 3 to 400 pages of book,
Yeah.
your focus became book and you
Yeah,
make
actually, I agree this point, but actually you are saying that only 3 and 2 hours. Not, it's incorrect, because actually I don't agree this point. Actually, you are saying that only after watching the movie, you will motivate only 2 and 3 hours. Actually, after watching the movie, your mind will be changed totally, and you will be start doing a positive way. Like you are doing anything, then actually you will be. The monkey has come in the class. Yeah. So speak something. Yeah, speak. So that's the reason.
Books are 2 and 300 pages after change of mind, but movie is 3 hours after change of mind. So motivate a movie, physically motivate, but book is when you read a book and 2 and 300 pages, then after you change your mind. But movie is only 3 hours change your mind very easily.
It's taking slow time.
Yes.
I have answered, but you tackle.
You told about 3 movies, but they show the skills, how to increase your skill, how to make. They are not showing your motivational. They are not giving you motivational. They showing their skills, how to increase your skill. They you asked about Mercy. I see the movie. I watched movie already. And in this movie, I saw that the man who are going to be a CEO, become CEO. After that, he lost his job. He left the position of CEO and he went to the village and he started developing this system. And for his friend, he fighting for his friend. He not going to be run a company like as a CEO. He left the position and he started working with his friend. And he developing the city for his friend and making justice and make justice for his friend. The things is only in this movie. And you say about the Bigil movie. In Bigil movie, there is a man who are coming from Boone family. Boone family, na? Boone family. The Boone family come from Boone family. A man who is a player, football player in that past, but somehow one person who are distract him by playing cricket because his father beat the coach in that time, and the coach will take his betrayal from the man by tackling her students, making them force. That's why they are not providing you the knowledge. They are not providing you the
Next time you will speak. Just give it.
You can speak continuously.
Why? Actually, after watching the movie, actually I know there are many persons in my village and in my city. After watching the movie, they want to create a video and create a picture, create a song, and they are learning lots of money. So it's possible only watching the movie. If they don't watch the movie, then they can't do anything. So it's an advantage of watching the movie. And how can you say like if you are reading the books, then you can learn money? If they are learning, if they are reading the books, then how can they create a video and how can they earn the money? Tell me.
You are saying that if in your village any person watched a movie and he making a video, now he was making a video, now he is profitable. But you think about many people after reading books he became a CEO and many other posts. You know, when you watch movie you can see he become CEO, a normal person to CEO. When you watch, when you read books, you can know about whole process, how to he increase business, he started his business, and day by day how they become CEO. You can watch movies and they only ordinary to CEO, but the whole process, how many equipment, how is the inventory, many types of technical process required in any company, any business, any government job. When you read books, then you will become any type of post. You cannot become any officers by watching movies and videos.
Yeah, I agree this point, but actually if they are earning money, but they will have to read the books, lots of books. But actually if you are coming here and if you want to do anything, actually I am saying that money is the main power. If you have got money, then you can do anything. Like actually I'm not saying that you should only read the books and then you can do anything. You should create a video and you can create a video and earn the lots of money. I'm talking about money. If you have got money, then you can do anything. Like money is not everything, but it is something, because everyone is running after money. Yeah, so that's why if they are creating a video and they are doing anything like a social media and they have got a lots of money, I agree this point. They cannot become a doctor, they cannot become IAS, they cannot do a businessman, but they have got a lots of money. It's possible only watching the videos, watching the movies. It's a possible, it's a advantage of watching the movies.
You cannot make a video by reading anything. You know, many people many channels and ebook, like they read book, and Sonu Sharma, Sandeep Maheshwari, Vivek Bindra, they read books and make a content 4 to 6 pages and many other pages. If you know about script, firstly they make a content, then make video. Without watch any person, you watching a movie and you cannot make your own movie. First he written script. If you want you in a past you watching any movies, this is based on any type of books or any type of biopic who's firstly written in a book.
Actually I was not talking about if you are watching the movie, then actually you will become an actor like a Salman Khan, like a Shah Rukh Khan. I'm not talking about. Actually in this time social media is going on very fast. Like actually if you have got a cell phone and you know how to create a video and upload. Let's suppose actually have you visited a Kumbh, like so actually I have forgot the name. Sir, do you know a girl become famous? Yeah, Mona Lisa. It's possible only social media. So actually they are creating a video and they become a very famous person
By watching movies.
Actually I'm talking about not a movie, social media. Like actually if you are saying that first of all you will have to read anything, then you can do anything. How can you? Let's suppose actually I don't read anything and I'll create a video and I'll singing a song and I'll become a singer. I can't do it. I can do it without reading anything. How can you say, brother? How can you say? Yeah. During the COVID, it's a very
purchase on social media.
Only purchase on social media. The school will be closed, and if you don't have a cell phone and don't the help of the social media, then how can you study during the
By online. I'm firstly telling about that course and watching movies a different type of category.
get the idea in the movie? Yeah, it's a get the idea. Actually, you were saying that if you do anything like any field, like become IS, like become a businessman, then you will have to read the books. So I am related with the social media. Yeah.
Okay. If you not learning book and not gaining knowledge about your business, you cannot increase your business. You can open any type of shop without reading book. But if you want to make a company and profitable and a world level, you need to learn from book or any other persons. Many business coach many business coach provided training about how to increase business by own knowledge, by book knowledge, and mix his personal, then trained many business people. You can without reading book you can make a business but not a bigger business. You know about physics wala, firstly he read book and make a videos, now he become a 8,000 crore company.
Speak something. What happened?
Nothing is the topic for what I do.
Speak anything. There are many words on this topic, so you can speak to them.
Okay.
Anything.
So if you wanna get a successful man, so first and foremost you will have to watch movie. You're talking about I can get everything from the book. So how can that be possible? You can get everything from the book. For increasing your knowledge, you will have to watch video like how to increase my business and how to make a person who is very better.
Anyone speak?
For increasing business by watching movies or video, they will give you some little points. They are not 100% sure that it will work on that point. If you learn from some other person who are successful in their business, he will teach you, he will give you perfectly points that how will your business go and grow. And if you watch movies and videos, they will not give you perfect point, they will give you perception, their own perception, which is not work perfectly, or sometimes they work, sometimes they not work. And if you learn and you read books and you learn from some other person, you will get your business grow and grow.
This time is not a lot of time to understand, to read a book and all in that. So short notice and big thing to understand to what is this and what is that. So Geeta Fogart and Babita Fogart, do you know, read in a book, but I saw in a movie, in a Dangal. So Dangal movie is short 3 hours. I understand who's Geeta Fogart and Babita Fogart. If you read in a book, so lot of time to how to understand who's Geeta Fogart and Babita Fogart.
Search on Wikipedia and in a 5 minutes you know about who is Geeta Fogart and Vinesh Fogart. In a 2 or 3 hours watching movie, then you know about Geeta Fogart and Vinesh Fogart.
You can't read within 3 hours and 4 hours. But if you are watching by the social media, you can watch within 2 hours and 3 hours. How to possible read within 2 hours? Let's suppose actually I am giving the Geeta. In this time I am getting it. Can you read within 2 hours and 3 hours?
Yes, by summary. You know about summary?
Sorry?
Summary, book summary.
Yeah.
I will go on ChatGPT and tell him what happened in Geeta. They will explain everything.
By the social media, not a book.
Yeah.
By the social media, bro, not a book.
In our introduction, book introduction, you know about book introduction. book introduction.
You are supporting reading the book, not by the help of the social media, watching movies.
Okay,
and,
okay.
Yeah.
You know about when you open book introduction reference, when you read book introduction and reference, you know about what in the book. When you want to broad knowledge, then you can read many lessons divided in many lessons in Bhagavad Gita, Ramcharitmanas and many books.
But if I have watched by the social media and how much knowledge gained by the social media, you can't get the more knowledge than me by the reading the summary.
Then okay, you cannot get knowledge by reading summary. You can get knowledge by watching movie.
No, actually I'm talking about if you are reading only summary, then actually I'm watching. Actually I have watched within 3 hours and 4 hours, and whatever I know, whatever I got by the social media by the 3 and 4 hours, then you can't get within 2 hours and 3 hours by reading the summary only.
Okay.
Yeah.
You listen about APJ Abdul Kalam biopic movie.
Yeah.
You know how many years APJ Abdul Kalam aged?
Actually I don't know properly.
I think 83 years old. 82. You know, in a 82 years experience in a movie explain everything.
No, yeah, actually it's possible, because actually if
Not possible, this is not a fact.
if anyone become any position and reaching any position, then actually they will create a movies on him. Like actually, you know, you have heard this name. What's the name, sir? Manoj Sharma. He has become an IAS officer, and he has the creator create a movie on him. So if I want to know about the Manoj Sharma, Mr. Manoj Sharma, then I can watch the movie.
You can watch movie and
Yeah, if you want to know about the Mr. Manoj Sharma, then how to read, what to read.
you can know only
No,
watch.
actually you are taking the example Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. That's why actually